Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and look at this view. I am so happy right now. I cannot tell you. So today is my birthday. So happy birthday to me. And ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा heartfelt है, थोड़ा सा special है. So it is my 24th birthday this year and I really want to take a second to just pause, to breathe and to reflect back on everything that I have achieved till date, the ups and downs that I've faced. So if you're in your 20s and you feel everybody's life is sorted, everything's going perfect, no it's not. थोड़ा रोके, थोड़ा सीख के हम पहुँचे हैं यहाँ पे and I want to talk about some real lessons. These are not random Pinterest quotes, these are not just life lessons in general, these are lessons that I have learned, I have realized over time, and I really want to talk about all of these things. So yeah, grab your comfy beverage, maybe a cold coffee if you will, because I love cold coffee and it's my birthday, so come on, do that for me and let's do a nice heart to heart chit chat. So first things first, let me give you a back story कि ये वीडियो क्यों इतना स्पेशल है. This is the second year that on my birthday I am in Rishikesh and ये idea भी मेरे को तभी से आया कि I want to talk about certain things in life. You know, life does not go as you plan it, but it just happens with every moment, every situation. Things change, we experience different things. So yeah, I'm here to talk about all of those lessons. It's my 24th birthday, so here are 24 lessons that I would want to share with all of you. Lesson number 1. People come and go. This is such an important lesson in life that you have to realize, you have to understand that people are not permanent. Most of them are temporary in your life. But if people leave you behind and move forward, does that mean that something is the problem with you? No, it does not. That is the lesson here. Do not take things personally, do not demean yourself or feel bad if people go from your life. Let's talk about lesson number 2 is something that I have learned over time. This is very important. It is having clear boundaries. You know, we just take things one day at a time and sometimes we do not know the importance of saying no to something, but it's very important to have physical boundaries. It's very important to have, you know, emotional boundaries. Just protect your own space is what I'm trying to say. बहुत टाइम तक मेरे को कभी ये चीज़ समझ में ही नहीं आई कि there is something called as boundaries. You know, you're supposed to maintain that for a reason. आप हर किसी को हर वक्त नहीं अकोमोडेट कर सकते हो अपनी लाइफ में, and that's fine. It's not a big deal at the end of the day. Let's go on to lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is moving your body every single day. You know, I'm telling you this right now, but for a very long period of time, I did not used to, you know, move my body every single day. But now I do and I understand the importance. It's not for the aesthetics, it's not for just, you know, your health. It's for your mental health. I'm into sales. I have a lot of pressure every single day. Work life is kind of tough. It's not always the same. But one thing that has really helped me improve my mental health, my mental space, is walking. So I'm not saying that you have to, you know, enroll yourself in a gym or something. Just do like basic half an hour walking, your basic 10,000 steps every single day. Move your body because your brain actually needs it. Lesson number 4 is try to expand your horizon of knowledge. I'm saying this from a very interesting point of view because I realized that having knowledge is one of the greatest power you can ever have. ठीक है, listen to different podcasts, listen to different opinions of different people. It does not always mean that you have a debate with people. It does not always mean you have general knowledge or news that you listen to. No, I'm not just talking about that. Have the curiosity to learn, you know, to learn about any and everything. It can be as simple as कि आप गैस को कैसे स्टोर करते हो. अगर आपको नाइट्रोजन भरना है अपने टायर में, राइट, अपनी गाड़ी की टायर में, तो हाउ डू यू स्टोर दैट, व्हाट इज़ द यूनिट. दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल दैट आई एम गिविंग एंड आई एम गिविंग इट फ्रॉम पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज कुछ दिनों पहले मेरे को ये क्यूरियोसिटी हुई एंड आई ट्राइड टू फिगर आउट दैट हाउ डज इट वर्क, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग. ठीक है, शायद साइंस में हमने पढ़ा होगा बचपन में, बट अभी मुझे नहीं याद था. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन टू लेसन नंबर 5, विच इज़ नॉट बीइंग अ पीपल प्लीजर. फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम I have accommodated a lot of people in my life as friends. मैंने हमेशा कोशिश करी है कि I will do things that will be up to their standard, but I have learned over a period of time that it's okay if I lose a few friends, but it's not okay if I do not have my own opinions and I do not have a clear stand on each and everything that I want to talk about. So that is very important. Always understand where you stand and just fight for it if needed, but don't say yes because other people are saying yes. Coming on to lesson number 6. Lesson number 6 is learning the art of communication. I have realized over a period of time that communication is one of the biggest things that you have in life. It's extremely important. I'm not just talking about formal communication here, I'm also talking about informal or personal conversations that we have. Understand कि कहाँ पे कितना बात करना चाहिए, कितनी clarity से चीज़ें हमें बोलनी चाहिए. I have always believed that you should have very clear thoughts, very clear speech. ठीक है, do not let the other person just assume things about you, about your life. Just make everything clear. Talk to people, make them understand that this is how it is. That makes life a lot more easier in general. Moving on to lesson number 7, which is you do not have to have it all figured out. Currently I am in my early 20s and to be very honest, मेरे को कभी-कभी ये feeling आती है कि यार how do people have it all figured out, how are people just knowing everything all the time. But that is okay if you don't know कि क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है. मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा लगता है कि करियर में am I going in the right direction, क्या मुझे इसमें कंटिन्यू करना है, do I want to switch industries, क्या करना है मुझे, कैसे करूँगी मैं ये सब अचीव, But it's okay, just take it one day at a time and just don't panic about it. Alright, moving to lesson number 8, जो मैंने literally पिछले 1.5 year में सीखा है, which is do not be afraid of being alone. For the longest time, I was very scared. I did not go out in public अकेले मेरे को हमेशा कोई ना कोई चाहिए था. कुछ नहीं तो मैं अपनी बहन को ही घसीट के अपने साथ ले जाती थी कि यार चल तेरे को तो आना ही पड़ेगा. But now I have changed. I have understood कि life में अपने आप से नहीं डरना है हमें, right? We have to sit with ourselves. So take yourself out, go on solo dates, movie date, journaling date, scrapbook art, जो भी आपको करना है करो, अकेले करो, खुद के साथ वक्त बिताओ, and that is extremely important. You really need to remove that fear, of being alone in life, because at the end हम अकेले आए, अकेले ही जाएंगे, किसी को साथ लेके तो नहीं जाएंगे. तो ये सीखना ज़रूरी है. Moving on to lesson number 9, which is taking care of your parents. So initially, until I completed my MBA, I was not very much ऐसे crazy. But as they say, once you join a corporate, once you start working, adulting hits you hard. And that is what has happened. You have to understand your parents better because day by day they are also getting older. They need your support, they need your understanding. And मैंने ये चीज़ देखी है कि मेरे को अब ज़्यादा कंसर्न होता है अपने पेरेंट्स का, क्योंकि मैं शायद समझ पाती हूँ उनका पर्सपेक्टिव अच्छे से, उनसे बात करती हूँ, चीज़ें रिजॉल्व करती हूँ, and it makes so much more sense. So I believe that you should do those little things that make your parents happy in life because they have sacrificed a lot through all these years to make you a better person, to make you, reach a certain point in life. So now it's your time to give it back to them, to make them happy, to see their smile. Lesson number 10 is filming your own self. Now listen to me very carefully. I'm not saying कि हर किसी को यूट्यूबर बन जाना चाहिए, हर किसी को रील बनानी चाहिए इंस्टाग्राम पर, नहीं. All I'm saying is that record yourself. This will help you become more confident in life. This will help you communicate better. To be very honest, before starting my YouTube channel, मैंने 3 साल Snapchat पे vlogging करी है. If you don't believe me, just ask my parents, or I'll just, I'll share this entire journey of me, how I started vlogging on Snapchat. Snapchat is like my vlogging diary. ठीक है, उसमें मेरे पास 6 साल पुराने, 7 साल पुराने ऐसे वीडियोस हैं जहाँ पे मैंने बस बात करी है कैमरा से, मैंने बताया है कि हाँ ये ऐसा है. आई जस्ट अज्यूम्ड दैट आई हैड एन ऑडियंस, आई हैड समवन हु इज़ लिसनिंग टू मी. फ्रॉम द अदर साइड ऑफ द कैमरा, जबकि ऑब्वियसली कोई नहीं सुन रहा था, बट मैंने वो किया एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट हाउ इट हैज़ चेंज्ड मी इन लाइफ. Today a lot of people come to me and they tell me that how are you so comfortable in front of the camera and you communicate so easily, you look so confident. But वो confidence वहीं से आया है. You don't have to record speeches, you don't have to record debates, you don't have to learn scripts and then say. Just be your own self. Just talk about random things in life. Okay, moving on to the 11th lesson that I want to talk about is remember how far you have come. You know, एक एज ऐसी आती है जहाँ पे you are constantly chasing after your dreams, you are running after one goal then another goal, and that is how life is, right? Just express gratitude, be thankful for every little thing that you've achieved in life. And currently, since I'm talking about gratitude, I also want to show some gratitude, and that is I'm grateful for this life. I'm grateful to be sitting here in this beautiful place called Rishikesh. I have a very deep spiritual connection with this place, and I'm so grateful to be able to come here to just, you know, sit here, make videos on YouTube, and yeah, that is what I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for having such supportive parents who have, you know, just been there for me. Write 3 things that you are grateful for in a diary and just show universe how thankful you are. Moving on to the next life lesson, which is lesson number 12, is something which I am very passionate about. This is travel whenever you can. ठीक है, मैं हमेशा ये मानती हूँ कि unless and until you get out of your comfort zone, you will not be able to figure your own self out. ठीक है, मेरे को ट्रैवलिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है एंड इन द पास्ट 1.5 ईयर जब से मैंने जॉब ज्वाइन किया है, आई हैव बिकम थोड़ा फिनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट टू टेक माई ओन डिसीजंस एज वेल. आई हैव थरली एन्जॉयड ट्रैवलिंग. कहीं पे भी ट्रैवल करो जहाँ आपका मन करता है, चाहे आप घर से 100-200 किलोमीटर दूर ही क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो, बट जस्ट गो, पुट योर सेल्फ इन अनकम्फर्टेबल सिचुएशंस to realize ki what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what do you enjoy doing, you know, meet new people, explore different cultures, and that alone will teach you so much more than any book or any, you know, YouTube video can. Lesson number 13, which is create a playlist with all your favorite songs. यू नो, अलग अलग प्लेलिस्ट बनाओ. एक ऐसा प्लेलिस्ट बनाओ जिसमें सारे मोटिवेशनल गाने हो जो आपको मोटिवेट करे व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो. एक ऐसा वाला बनाओ जहाँ पे आप अगर सैड हो तो आपको, यू नो, वो वाला प्लेलिस्ट सुनने का मन करे. जहाँ पे एक ऐसा प्लेलिस्ट होना चाहिए वेयर यू आर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी, you want to experience and feel that music. It has the power to make you feel things, and that is how beautiful it is. So create a playlist, do that right now. The 14th life lesson, which is finding your purpose. I feel like ये बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में. Obviously ऐसा होता है कि हर बार, as I mentioned in the very beginning, कि सब कुछ figured out नहीं होता है चीज़ों का, right? We do not know everything for sure, but try to find your purpose in life. What is it that drives you? You know, रोज़ सुबह क्यों उठना है आपको? You have to have that answer in life, because that is what makes life more livable, more fun. ताकि फिर वो जो उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे ना, यू विल नॉट फील टू मच अबाउट इट, यू विल नॉट टेक एवरीथिंग पर्सनली, बिकॉज यू नो that this is my purpose, this is what I want to achieve in life. What is it that will drive you even on your lowest days? Moving on to the 15th life lesson, and that is document the little things in life. You know, हमारी आदत है as a human being, we always remember the very important things in life. ठीक है, जो भी मेमोरीज, जैसे आज अगर मैं ऋषिकेश में हूँ और अगर मैं शायद मेरा पैर फिसल जाता है, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल, बट अगर पैर फिसल जाता है और अगर मैं गिर गई हूँ या मुझे लग जाएगी, तो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. बट विल आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द हैप्पी मेमोरीज, द थिंग्स दैट आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग हियर एंड फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो? शायद नहीं, बिकॉज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम your brain tends to cling on to the negative things, right? And I feel like you should document all the positive things in life. The sole reason that I started a YouTube channel is because I wanted to document the little things in life. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कुछ ख़राब हो या कुछ स्टोरी टाइम हो तो ही मैं डॉक्यूमेंट करूँ. बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ हो सकती है, जैसे आज मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ and just this view is making me happy. And that's why I decided to shoot this video right here. Let's talk about our next lesson, which is lesson number 16, which is finding your center. लाइफ में आपको ये ढूंढना है कि व्हाट इज़ इट दैट विल ऑलवेज हेल्प यू स्टे ग्राउंडेड, स्टे हम्बल, स्टे काइंड. फैमिली कैन ऑफ कोर्स बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट देयर कैन बी सर्टन थिंग्स, सर्टन प्लेसेस इन लाइफ जो आपको फील करवाए कि हाँ ये मेरा कनेक्शन है विद द नेचर. ठीक है, जैसे मेरे लिए ऋषिकेश इज़ वन सच प्लेस वेयर आई फील very grounded, very, connected to the nature. And let me know if you have such places that you have a very intense, deep connection with. आपको भी नहीं पता कि क्या आपको ड्राइव कर रहा है उधर जाने के लिए, but it's just there. There's a soulful connection. We are on to lesson number 17. It's something that I heard Sushmita Sen talk about, and it just connected with me deeply because I follow that. I maybe never realized it that I do that, बट उस टाइम पे मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ जब उन्होंने ये बात करी कि यू हैव टू लर्न टू टॉक टू योर सेल्फ. चाहे आप खुश हो, दुखी हो, जस्ट टॉक टू योर ओन सेल्फ. इट गिव्स यू अ लॉट मोर क्लैरिटी इन लाइफ. इट गिव्स यू अ बेटर पर्सपेक्टिव. कभी कभी हम एकदम सिंगल डायरेक्शन में सोचते हैं और हम नहीं समझ पाते कि सामने वाले का क्या व्यू पॉइंट है, क्या है. बट इफ़ यू टॉक टू योर ओन सेल्फ इट माइट जस्ट गेट बेटर. सो आई हर्ड हर say this in an interview that if you are successful, if you are happy, pat yourself on the back, appreciate yourself. If you have hit a failure in life, then also talk to yourself and motivate yourself to do better. ऐसे बात करो अपने आप से, समझाओ खुद को कि this is just temporary, everything will get better. Lesson number 18 is something that I believe in very strongly, and that is do not regret your choices or decisions in life. मेरे को लगता है काफ़ी बार हम पास्ट में चले जाते हैं और हम ये सोच लेते हैं कि यार आई रिग्रेट डूइंग दिस. बट मेरे को लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू आर द पर्सन हु मेड अ सर्टन डिसीजन, हु मेड अ चॉइस. You always had two options, but you chose that particular path. So do not regret it later, just embrace it, whatever happens. Right, moving on to lesson number 19, which is ग्रास इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रीनर ऑन दी अदर साइड. अब ये कोट हम बचपन से सुन रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट इसको अप्लाई करना उतना ही ज़रूरी है इन द सेंस दैट डू नॉट कंपेयर योर सेल्व्स विद अदर्स. एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट रोड मैप इन लाइफ. Everybody has a different pace of achieving goals. Does not mean that you are not up to the mark, you're not doing good for your own self. It does not mean that. It's just that things may go slower for you, but it might just turn out to be the best in the end. If I feel like I want to do an industry change, right, or I want to change my career, then does not mean that the person who is currently in my position or my dream role is having it all easy. Set realistic goals and try on achieving them rather than having unnecessary comparison and unnecessary negative vibes in life. Okay, lesson number 20 is something that I always tell my sister who's currently in her teenage years. I tell her that do not believe everything you see on social media. Social media paints a very bright picture. There are girls who are in the same age bracket as mine, and they've probably achieved far more things than I have, but they've also faced their own hardships, in their way. Do not blindly set goals on how other people's life is going. Rather, social media is a very, very powerful tool. Use it appropriately to grow your own self. आजकल मैंने देखा है कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अपनी चैनल बना रहे हैं, जो इंस्टाग्राम रील्स शेयर कर रहे हैं, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट लर्न स्किल्स लाइक you have AI, you have digital marketing. ये सारी चीज़ें सीखो and leverage social media to help your own self grow rather than just doom scrolling. Okay, we have completed 20 lessons officially, and now we are going on to our 21st lesson, which is avoid procrastination. यार अगर आप मेरी Instagram bio देखोगे तो मैंने उसमें लिखा है find peace of procrastination, and for the longest time I have believed myself to be a procrastinator, but उसको हमें हटाना है. I am also working on it, and I'm also gonna give you like a tip on how to make it better. So the basic thing to not procrastinate is just give yourself 5 seconds or maybe 3 seconds. जब भी आपको लगता है कि मेरे को ये काम करना है बट अभी मेरे को करने का मन नहीं है या मैं नहीं करूँगी अभी, give yourself 3 seconds to get up and just do that particular work. So that is one tip that I'll give you. Second tip that I want to talk about is how can you build a better routine? It's by clubbing micro habits with something that you already are doing currently. I'll just give you guys an example. Just while brushing your teeth, just club it with a micro habit. It could be as simple as just running for 5 minutes on the spot. ठीक है, ये बहुत छोटा सा एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, बट दैट्स हाउ यू कैन बिल्ड अ रूटीन. आपने वो दोनों हैबिट्स को क्लब कर दिया है. सो नाउ योर ब्रेन इज गेटिंग द सिग्नल कि हाँ, जब भी मेरे को ब्रश करना है, मेरे को 5 मिनट्स रन करना है ऑन द स्पॉट. सो दैट इज़ हाउ यू गेट टू बिल्ड अ बेटर रूटीन. यू बिकम मोर कंसिस्टेंट and you avoid procrastination. Life lesson number 22, that is, do not underestimate yourself. आजू बाजू वाले लोग कुछ भी कहे, कितना भी डिमीन करे, कितना भी चाहे कभी कभी अपने ही दोस्त होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी कभी कभी बोल देते हैं यार तू रहने दे, तेरे से ये नहीं होगा. बट डू नॉट एवर अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ. I have realized over a period of time कि the best way to live a good life, a happy life, is by being confident. ठीक है, you have to be confident. You have to, have faith in your own self. No one knows the power of you better than your own self. That is what you have to understand in life. कि whatever happens, never lose faith in your own abilities and stay confident. We have come to the last 2 lessons for this particular video. Lesson number 23 is learn to accept your mistakes gracefully. बहुत टाइम तक मैं गलतियाँ करने से डरती थी, बट जब गलती हो जाती थी तो उससे भाग जाती थी. समझ में ही नहीं आता था कि कैसे उसको मैं मानूं, कुछ बोलूं ना बोलूं, इग्नोर कर दूं, भाग जाऊं, क्या करूं. बट मैंने सीखा है कि दैट इज़ नॉट हाउ लाइफ वर्क्स. पर्सनली भी अगर कोई गलती करते हो तो एक्सेप्ट करो and just make it better by saying sorry, and also learning and making the other person realize you will not repeat it again. I have always believed that actions speak louder than words. The best way to build someone's trust is by being consistent in your actions and not just words. Alright guys, we have come to the last life lesson, which is the 24th one. And इस लेसन की जब मैं बात करूँगी तो I'll also say that I am also actively working on my own self and on this particular thing that I'm about to share. The last lesson is something that we've all heard a lot, ठीक है, बट उसको एक्चुअली में इम्प्लीमेंट करना बहुत मुश्किल है, and that is loving yourself. Okay, and this is something that I'm saying from my own experience. I obviously have a lot of insecurities, a lot of flaws like any other human being. For the longest time, I was not able to digest that. Today when I'm making this video, I'm gonna say this: give yourself a tight hug like I am and just tell yourself that you are the best. Not give yourself conditions that if I do this, then I'll love myself more. No. Accept the way you are, with all your flaws, with all your insecurities. Accept it and just love yourself. That is what I want to say, because at the end of the day you will be alone. Even if you have good friends, even if you have a partner, even if you have the best parents in the world, but खुद को प्यार करो, pamper करो, and just make yourself happy, because this is your life. You have earned it and you deserve to be happy. With that guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you took something away from everything that I shared. Hope you guys made a note of few things at least, and let me know if you connected to any life lesson very deeply. And comments में बताओ मुझे फटाफट कैसा लगा ये वाला concept. This is a new concept, this is a whole new ideology I thought of sharing, and I would really want to know your thoughts on this particular idea. How did you find it? So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.